Hey there, and welcome to this video on tips for falling asleep faster. If you're someone who struggles to fall asleep at night, you're definitely not alone. In fact, around 30% of adults report experiencing some form of insomnia at least once in their life. But don't worry, because there are some simple things you can do to improve your sleep quality and help you drift off faster. So without further ado, let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1. Establish a consistent sleep routine. Our bodies crave routine, and when we establish a consistent sleep routine, we're helping our body learn when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. This consistency can help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Tip number 2. Create a relaxing sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a huge role in how easily you fall asleep. Make sure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out any light, and consider using earplugs or a white noise machine to drown out any noise. You might also want to invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body and help you feel relaxed. Tip number 3. Limit your exposure to screens before bed. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can suppress the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. So try to avoid using electronic devices such as phones, tablets, and laptops for at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, consider reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle yoga or meditation to help you relax and unwind. Tip number 4. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Both caffeine and alcohol can interfere with your sleep quality. While caffeine can make it harder for you to fall asleep, alcohol can disrupt your REM sleep, the stage of sleep that's most restorative for your body. So try to avoid caffeine and alcohol for at least a few hours before bedtime, and opt for a calming herbal tea or a glass of water instead. Tip number 5. Try relaxation techniques. If you're someone who tends to get stuck in your thoughts when you're trying to fall asleep, relaxation techniques can be incredibly helpful. Consider trying deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization techniques to calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. There are also plenty of guided meditation apps and podcasts out there that can help guide you through these techniques. And there you have it, 5 tips for falling asleep faster. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Sweet dreams.